Hello, How To Bob here, and I'm going to show you in this video how to install an Oatey 42045 shower drain. We have the basic drain here. It comes in two parts. They just unscrew, and you can see they're threaded. And it also comes with two washers. One is a rubber one, that one's right here, and the other is a fiber washer. Now you can see the bottom of this gets glued into the house piping, so I'm going to go ahead and take the top piece off the drain cover, and I'm going to use some plumber's putty. You can either use plumber's putty or silicone. The manufacturer recommends either one, your choice. What I do is take my plumber's putty and I just roll it into a little tube here, about a 1/4 inch round or so, make it nice and even, and then I run my plumber's putty around the corner of the top piece. This is the piece that's going to go in the actual shower. And once I get it all the way around there, I can pull off the extra. Then my fiber washer is going to go on the bottom piece. It goes against the bottom piece. Then the rubber piece, the rubber washer, goes on top of the fiber washer. The rubber piece, the rubber washer, goes up against the drain. Now I'm going to take my top piece, and that's how it's going to be assembled. So I'm going to go ahead and put the top part in the drain hole, and then we'll take a look at, this is how it's going to go together. We'll take a look at it from the bottom. So from the bottom, the rubber washer goes right up against the bottom of the shower base, then the fiber washer goes against the drain piece, and then we turn it as tight as we can, and it comes with this little tightening piece here. It just slides down into the notches. It should have came with that. If it didn't come with that, you can also put something to cross over that and tighten it up that way. But you just tighten it up and you'll see the plumber's putty come out, or the silicone if you chose to use that. And once that's done, I'll just peel my plumber's putty out or clean up my silicone, and that's how you install an Oatey 42045 shower drain. All that's left to do is put my cover on. I'm How To Bob. Thanks for watching.